In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an upload button in Wix. This feature is incredibly useful if you need clients to send you files or if you want users to upload documents directly onto your website. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites section. This is essentially your starting point for accessing all your websites. From there, click on Edit Site. This action will open the website editor where you can begin customizing everything about your site. Now comes the exciting part, adding the upload button. Over on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. You'll want to click on the plus icon. Consider this to be your toolbox for adding new features to your website. Once you've clicked the icon, a menu will appear. In that menu, scroll down until you find the Input section. Under this tab, you'll spot an option for upload buttons. A simple click on it will do the trick. At this point, Wix offers you a selection of different button styles. Choose the one that best aligns with your site's overall design. It's all about maintaining a cohesive and appealing visual aesthetic. Once you've added the button to your page, click on the Settings option to start customizing it to meet your specific needs. When it comes to customization, there are several key adjustments you can make. You have the choice of limiting the types of files that people can upload. Whether you prefer images, documents, or a range of other file formats, the choice is yours. Furthermore, you can set the maximum number of files that can be uploaded at any given time. This is particularly useful for managing file size and server space. Don't forget to give the upload field a clear and simple name by adjusting the field title. This will ensure users know exactly what they need to do. Additionally, you can modify the button text itself, changing it to something more inviting and user-friendly, like "Upload your files here." Finally, there's the option to make file uploads a requirement. If it's essential that users upload a file before proceeding, make sure to toggle this setting on. This ensures no one skips this crucial step. And just like that, your upload button is all set up and ready for use. With just a few simple steps, you've made your Wix site more interactive and functional for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Wix tips. Thanks for watching.